Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Blazo. Today we have two fans from the Delhi Capitals. So, hi Tanuj and Tarun. Are you guys
Hello,
excited for
Ritik.
the IPL 2021?
Yes, very excited. IPL 2021. Last year, DC went on to the finals, and let's see if they can take the final step this year.
Great, great. What about you, Tanuj?
Yeah, definitely excited. Will feel even better after defeating CSK in the opening game. So hoping for a great start to the season. So definitely excited.
Nice, nice. So, Tarun, the first question comes your way. What do you think will be the starting 11 for Delhi Capitals?
Starting 11, I think they'll start with Prithvi Shaw and Shikhar Dhawan at the top, followed by Ajinkya Rahane at number 3. And if you ask my personal opinion, I would like to see Rishabh Pant at 4 because the kind of form he is in, and being the captain, I would like to see him play fearlessly at number 4. And continuing at number 5, I would like to see Shimran Hetmeyer, followed by Marcus Stoinis. And at number 7 and 8, I'd like to go with Akshar Patel and R. Ashwin. And then with the three pacers in Ishan Sharma, Kagiso Rabada, and Henrik Nokia.
Very nice, very nice. So, any addition or subtraction from the team which Tarun told Tanuj here?
Yes, I would like to make change at the number 3 spot. I think
Hmm.
Sane is not the guy for us to fill that gap of Shreyas Iyer, and
Hmm.
I would like to see Marcus Stoinis playing at that spot. I think he has opened in BBL and played some great innings, so he's not mugged with the bat at the top of the order. So I would definitely want to see Stoinis take that role and Shikhar Dhawan to play that anchor innings that Shreyas Iyer used to play. So that's the one change. And then I would like to see Indian youngster Lalit Yadav at number 6, or maybe Sam Billings starts in place of Hetmeyer at number 5, and that's it.
Very nice, very nice. So you already took one question from me there. Who is the most exciting youngster you want to see in the squad? So looks like Lalit Yadav has caught the eyes.
I don't completely agree with him right here because I think
Hmm.
Lalit Yadav being an inexperienced player would be, I think it would be very difficult for him to manage that number 6 position. I think in
Hmm.
T20s, number 5 and 6 is one of the most important positions. So I think experienced player should be slotted there. Let's see what happens.
Right, right. So who do you think will be the most valuable player for the DC?
Valuable player, I think this season Prithvi Shaw, considering the kind of form he's in the domestic cricket. He has scored
Right.
big hundreds recently,
Yeah.
and last season opening was not a very strong part of Delhi Capitals. So I think Delhi
Right.
Capitals will be looking forward to Prithvi Shaw playing well this season.
Recently, Ricky Ponting and Prithvi Shaw were in the news for
Yes.
the statement that he wasn't felt like playing, but Ricky Ponting has shown confidence in the player. So, does this give him a boost for the upcoming season?
Yes, definitely. Ricky Ponting is the kind of coach that backs young players. Like we saw last year, he had
Mhm.
very publicly backed Rishabh Pant
Right.
to do well for the Indian cricket team, and now we can see how well he is doing. We cannot exclude him from the playing 11 in all three formats for the Indian cricket team.
Mhm.
Likewise, I think Prithvi Shaw will come good, maybe at some later stage, but I'm sure he'll come good.
Right. Tanuj, who do you think will be
Yes,
the most valuable player?
I think if you had asked me this question 10 days ago, then I would probably go with Prithvi Shaw. But now, since Rishabh Pant is the captain and the
Mhm.
added responsibility to carry the team in absence of Shreyas Iyer, not in just captaincy but also in batting, so definitely Rishabh Pant is the guy that could be the MVP of that.
So, how do you see the captaincy style and the pressure taking capacity of Pant changing the tone of team here?
Look, if you want to describe Rishabh Pant in one word, I think one word that comes to my mind is fearlessness.
Mhm.
And if we see the playing style of Delhi over the last 2 seasons, they have been trying to play fearless cricket, bold
Right.
cricket to be precise. And I think this is a very big step, a bold step taken by Delhi Capitals management to give the captaincy to Rishabh Pant.
Right.
Because as a player, he is fearless and
Mhm.
he has handled pressure very well. Mind you, he's replacing a big legend in the name of MS Dhoni in the Indian cricket team. And till
Right.
now, I think he has done very well. So his
Mhm.
character will definitely reflect on the Delhi Capitals team, and that is
Mhm.
a very big positive.
Tanuj, what do you think? What will
Yeah, I
be the
think
tone? What will be the tone of captaincy for Rishabh Pant in the going into the season? And we
yeah,
should not forget that the first toss he is going to be there
Yeah,
with
he'll
MS
be
Dhoni.
facing MS Dhoni. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
yeah. Rishabh Pant, whenever a youngster becomes a captain, then there are always two questions whether he's, this will impact his game or not. And
Correct.
second, is he technically a good captain? So definitely two questions are in the mind of fans right now. But he has been the wicketkeeper of Indian team since last 3 years. So
Mm.
definitely he knows some tactics, how to set the field, and that's why I think he won't be a mug with captaincy. And there's also support of Rahane, Ashwin, and the coach Ricky Ponting. So he'll do fine.
So, guys, we have spoken about the captaincy tactics of Rishabh Pant now. What do you think? Do you think spinners will be more effective now? How do you think spinning department, especially R. Ashwin and Akshar Patel, who has done brilliant in the international season, how are they going to play their game with the help of captain being behind the stumps?
Akshar Patel and Ashwin by themselves are a very experienced players, and
Mhm.
they will not be completely reliant on what uh, Rishabh Pant's inputs. But I think given Rishabh Pant has played with them over the last 2 years, he knows how they both operate in the
Mhm.
middle, and I think they'll do very well along with the other bowlers.
Speaking of Ashwin, who do you think will be the next victim to his non-striker run out?
I think that we have to ask the Rajasthan Royals fans because I think R. Ashwin has a special love for the men in royal pink or royal blue, whatever they have the jersey color. I'm not sure yet.
I really want to hear Tanuj's opinion here.
I would love to see Ashwin Mankad someone. And last time when he did, Rajasthan fans are still hurt by that. And
Mhm.
more than Mankad, I am more interested in the meltdown of the fans that follows that. So the best meltdown or the epic meltdown happens in RCB team. So I would love to see Ashwin Mankad, someone like Virat Kohli. And imagine Virat Kohli.
I guess you need to refer to our previous blog podcast.
And imagine if Virat Kohli is on 99 and about to get that century, which he hasn't done in last 2 years, then Ashwin Mankad him. So that would be perfect.
Yeah, going into the fiction scenario here. Okay, next one. So, what do you think? Since last year, Ishant Sharma was not there. We all know how great he is, what impact he has in the team, and with he comes when he comes with a baggage of experience. So, are you expecting a great return from the legend?
See, one of the thing Ishan Sharma has is he can swing the ball both ways.
Mhm.
This is one of the very important things. And Delhi Capitals will be playing, I think, 3 to 4 fixtures in Eden Gardens,
Mhm.
which over the last 3 to 4 years has a pitch that supports the Pacers very well. A good bounce, a good swing, and the weather there in the evening.
Mhm.
So, adding up to the pace of Rabada and Nortje, Ishan Sharma can be very a good addition. Last year, Delhi Capital missed him, but I think this year he'll be a very, very important part of the Delhi bowling setup.
Right, right.
Yeah,
Tanuj,
definitely.
yeah.
Ishant Sharma is an accurate bowler, and in power plays brings another value that Delhi
Hmm.
attack missed here. But I think he should not play all the games. As an Indian cricket fan, I would love to see him in the World Test Championship final and the
Right.
England series, and there have been concerns about his fitness.
Hmm.
So I love to see an Indian youngster in Lukman Mariwala, which is also with the team, and he brings that left arm angle with him. So
Hmm.
there is another guy to keep an eye out for.
Right,
Yes, I
right.
agree. I agree with him, and maybe that's why Umesh Yadav has been roped in to
Hmm.
rotate with Ishant Sharma if there is any kind of injury concerns.
Managing the load, yes.
Yeah, and we have to remember that in case of spin-friendly wickets, Delhi
Hmm.
Capitals can also go for three spinners along with. We can add up Amit Mishra along with R. Ashwin and Akshar Patel,
Right.
and with the two foreign pacers. So Delhi
Hmm.
Capital, I think, have one of the best bowling lineups in the
Hmm.
tournament, and if they can rotate it very well, they have a very, very good chance of restricting the teams within a very, very reasonable.
As Tanuj said earlier, the fitness of a player.
Yes.
This year there is a void in DC. That is
Mm.
absence of Shreyas Iyer. How do you
Mm.
think, because he being the leader for the team and taking the leadership role from Gautam Gambhir himself, one of the great captain, and then taking it over, then playing that season, then coming back again last season, going up till the finals, competing with one of the best teams of IPL, losing not an issue, but yeah, coming from a tough situation, he was there. He knew A to Z what needs to be done with the team. He's not there now. Despite
I, per- I
you have Indian experience side, the reliance of a captain is always there. You're missing that this year. What do you think?
look,
What makes different for this season for DC?
look. What I personally think is DC would miss Shreyas Iyer, the batsman, more than Shreyas Iyer, the captain. The reason behind this is DC has experienced players in Ajinkya Rahane, Steve Smith, a very, very good coach in Ricky Ponting,
Hmm.
very, very experienced bowling lineup led by R. Ashwin, Ishan Sharma, Kagiso Rabada.
Hmm.
So certainly more than the captain will miss Shreyas Iyer, the batsman who scored 519 runs in last season's
All
IPL,
right.
and he was the major cog in the middle overs. So I think if Delhi Capitals can uh, fill up the role of Shreyas Iyer in the middle overs,
Hmm.
then I don't think the Shreyas Iyer injury will be a big concern for Delhi Capitals this season.
Right. Tanuj, do you see Steve Smith filling in for the middle overs?
I think Steve Smith was a foolish decision to buy him, and
Hmm.
it might look more less foolish now because of fresh years. But I would still not have him in the starting 11. And
Hmm.
I don't think Rahane and Smith are cut out for the T20 cricket. I would
Hmm.
rather see a youngster like Lalit Yadav or someone like Rippan Patel getting that chance. And I think we already have an anchor in Shikhar Dhawan who can play that innings that gives the freedom to likes of Rishabh Pant and Prithvi Shaw to play around him. So I think Shreyas Iyer needs to play. Shikhar Dhawan needs to play more responsibly, and I don't think Rahane and Smith should play in the.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Now coming to the foreign players. As earlier you mentioned that you don't want Stoinis in the lower order, right? But we have seen in past that Stoinis is the guy who can hit the big ones. Coming
Yes,
into
yes.
the crucial situation, he can hit the big ones. Alongside Hatmeyer, what do you think? What role does they play if they play down the order?
Look, first of all, on Shimron Hetmeyer, he didn't have a very, very good season with RC, and that's why he was released. Last year, he had shown glimpses of what he can do, but he
Hmm.
wasn't consistent enough.
Right.
for the Delhi Capitals. And this season, I think the major focus will be on him because we'll miss Shreyas Iyer. So major focus will be on him and Marcus Stoinis. And if these two can perform consistently at
Mhm.
number 5 or 6, then I think uh, we can finish with big scores. Like we can have some very very good scores in the last 5 overs.
Mhm. Right.
I think what DC can do,
Consistency is the key here.
I think what DC can do in lower order is to have Sam Billings at number 5. I think
Mhm.
he's more of a dynamic hitter than someone like Shimran Atmar, who's more of a spin hitter. And when you have already have Rishabh Pant, you don't need someone to hit. I think Sam Billings and playing at number 5 and
Mhm.
partnering him with Rishabh Pant at number 4 and giving that left-right combination, it also ticks that box also. So definitely Sam Billings could be the guy at number 5.
Right. Yeah. So ये तो हो गया पूरा order decide. Now tell me any hundreds from the DC side.
Any hundreds?
Yeah.
I would like to
यार
see.
धवन है, पृथ्वी शॉ है जिसने इतने 100 मारे अभी, ठीक है, फिर
पृथ्वी शॉ के
पंत
तो
है.
नाम पृथ्वी शॉ के तो नाम में ही शो है, तो डेफिनेटली ही इज द गाय टू हिट द 100.
And Pant, the kind of form he's in, I think we can see 2 centuries from him this season minimum.
नाइस नाइस. और स्पिनर से 3 विकेट ऑल कौन
3
कौन
wicket
कौन
all
कौन
आर
लेते?
अश्विन के नाम पे लिख लो, आर अश्विन के नाम पे तो है ही है.
अच्छा
Because
अच्छा.
I think he can see a window of entering into the Indian cricket team, given the current crop of spinners are not playing so well.
राइट.
The name of R Ashwin will start coming up. One or two good performance. He had a good season last year, and if he can perform well this season also, like he'll be knocking the door for the Indian cricket team also.
नाइस. या तनुज, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? 3 विकेट कौन लेके जाएगा?
आई थिंक जैसे नोकिया बॉलिंग कर रहा है अभी साउथ अफ्रीका में अगेंस्ट
हाँ.
समवन बाबर आजम एंड ऑल, so
राइट.
definitely if he had played against CSK, the batting lineup they had, I am sure he would have gotten 3 wickets easily. So
राइट.
to be again in the next game, whenever they play against CSK, I'm eyeing for that 3 wickets from now.
वेरी नाइस.
But
वेरी
but
नाइस.
but be, but beating CSK doesn't win you the IPL trophy. You know, you have to beat other 6 teams also, 5 teams
बट
No,
also. I'm sorry.
no, I'm talking about easily getting a 3 wicket haul. So that way CSK
Okay.
is the best team. They have some 40-year-old who haven't played in IPL since IPL, who might have not picked up bat in last 6 months. So definitely he can easily get 3 wickets against them.
बट पंच का तो मंत्र ही है ना कि कैप्टन कूल कूल नहीं रहेंगे.
Ajay,
Oh
Ritik,
yeah,
can I ask the question to Tanuj, if I am permitted
या
to?
श्योर, प्लीज गो अहेड. या
Tanuj, what do you think will be a successful season for DC? Like, what could be the position they should consider as successful season this year?
I think nothing less than the trophy would mean a successful season for Delhi. They were
Okay,
the second best team last year, and
okay,
yes, there was a daylight between Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals, and I thought they would fill some gaps in the auction, but the auction went horribly wrong for Delhi Capitals. They picked up Steve Smith and Tom Curran, and I don't know what they were thinking, but I'm still hopeful that Rishabh Pant and Prithvi Shaw had horrible season last year, and I think if they play their usual style games, I think Delhi will be there and thereabouts with the final and can have.
And another last question from my side. And which teams do you see making the playoffs this season?
So four
You don't
teams,
need to explain it completely, but just name the 4 teams who do you see as playing entering the playoffs this season.
I would love to see Rajasthan, Delhi Capitals, Sunrisers Hyderabad, and maybe KKR. Sorry, Punjab Kings also a great team. So these 4 teams
Okay.
are my.
So no
And
MI and no CSK.
नो
I
लेजेंडरी
don't.
टीम्स मैन.
We are already fed up of these teams winning the trophies. I think now newcomers should win
So
something.
there still is one team who hasn't won the trophy yet. You forgot that. You can replace
The
it with
men in
Ara.
red.
RCB.
Yes,
Obviously.
RCB.
I guess Tanuj doesn't want to answer or say anything regarding them now.
Hello.
About RCB. You were asking about RCB.
Yes.
So let's leave it there only.
Okay.
So thank you, DC fans. It was a great experience to have a word with you guys. Hopefully, DC finishes
Pleasure.
off at the top of the league and take home the trophy. Routing for them, and it was great having you guys over. Thanks, Tanuj. Thanks, Tarun.
My pleasure. Yeah. Okay.
Fans, please like, share, subscribe. Blazo. Thanks.